The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? How's the family? Welcome to the channel, welcome to a new video. Binance coin today. I've been waiting to do this video for a while and I think it's going somewhere. It did go actually the way we were expecting it to go. And now it's kind of having some kind of pullback, so we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna actually talk about this candle, this 295 target and stuff like that. It looks very exciting. Everything is very bullish, so follow to see what's actually happening. Okay, let's get into the charts. Make my face small, charts bigger as always, and see what's actually happening. So in the last video, we I don't know if it was last video or video prior to that, but we found this resistance at 295 and said it's very important to break that. Here it couldn't break it, it got resistance, and here trying to break it again. Today it was actually with a wick above it, but did not break it, unfortunately. We have to wait for this candle to close above this target 295 before we are certain that this is actually gonna go pretty high. But I think it might be taking a couple of days for these moving averages to pick up to come up to the price. It doesn't have to, but it can take a few days. So we're gonna look at it also. 4 hourly, we're just looking at moving averages, and moving averages are looking fantastic on the 4 hourly. You can see here we went below the 200 moving. Let me just see the 400 moving. Yeah, it's all the way down there. We went below 200 moving average, and then we start climbing the 10 moving average. That's the white line. You can see clearly here how we held the 10 moving average and pushed it all the way up to the resistance at 295. But we are just unable to break it. Let's see on this on the 1 hourly chart. You can see here stopping right below it. 30-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Yeah, we are playing with the resistance, so I think it's gonna be broken soon. How soon depends. This might take a while, but what we want it actually ultimately to happen is for the price to break the 295 line on the daily candle. So that means tonight at around what's that, in 12 13 in 14 hours, so it's 14 hours left of trading. We want this candle, this body, to be above this line over here, somewhere around here. If that happens, we are super bullish on Binance coin, and it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. So let's look at this MACD cross that's happening right over here. Today is happening. You're getting this MACD. You can see this this blue line is fell below the orange line. That orange line is signal line, so and the blue line is moving average. So moving average fell below the signal line and was going down. This is what we call the bearish cross, and once that happens, you either go sideways, or you have this either go sideways, so you have this big correction on the downside. Right now that that's finished, you can see here where was I? Previous bullish cross, when the blue line goes above the signal line. That's the bullish cross. You can see here on the previous cross all the way up here. You can see the move we had, right? That's very important. So if we get the bullish cross over here and we break some kind of a resistance up here at 295, hopefully after a while we break also this one at what's that, 333, which I think it's very likely if we get the cross. So if we get, when we get them, this MACD bullish cross, and we break the 333 or 334, you're gonna experience one of these big moves that happen here. He went for 40 to all the way to 356, and that was how much was that? That was 700% move. So I'm not gonna say you're gonna see another 700% move, but it can go pretty high. It can go pretty high, go fast. This move took from January, February, March, 2 months. So next move also 2 months, maybe. Was it April, May? This one's 2 months. Was this 2 months? How long was this? So that's February. No, it took 20 days. 20 days. The move took 20 days. So basically somewhere around here. Yeah, okay, so it's gonna end somewhere around that. Now, you know, history doesn't, I know people like to think that history repeats and we should look what has happened before it's gonna repeat again. It usually doesn't work like that. Sometimes it maybe corresponds to that. You see here it happened, now it's gonna happen again. Third time definitely won't happen. You can assume it's gonna happen again after on the second time. It maybe does happen, but like history doesn't reveal usually, because people always look to history and usually something else happens. You know, not always what's supposed to happen. Let's look at the RSI indicator up here and see that it actually has very nice levels. When we had this bottom over here, on the daily we were all the way down to 45. Now we're sitting at 63, which is a very nice level for the RSI. On the weekly, you can see that we are all the way up to 97, so we had to have some kind of correction, and we did it, and we pulled the RSI all the way down to 72, so now it's at 78. Very nice levels for the RSI as well. So all in all, it looks very good based on the RSI. We are not overbought, so we have a pretty high way to go up. So what I'm waiting right now is for this cross to be confirmed tomorrow. I'm waiting for us to get above the 295 resistance line, and preferably get above the all-time high at 333. When is that's gonna happen? Is gonna get that happen today or tomorrow or something like that? It depends to see. I also want to see these moving averages, especially this 10 moving average. I think it's gonna be the one to push the price higher up. And this 20 moving average is going to come, because you see here this 50 moving average won't be broken. It's going to come, so around maybe in a week or two, max a week or two. I think we are supposed to go pretty high. Anyways, that's what I got for you right now for a Binance coin. If you like that, you know what to do with the subscribe button and the like button and the comment section. So it looks very good. It looks very good. Everything actually looks good. Bitcoin looks good. Binance looks good. Cardano looks good. Everything looks very good, except those coins that just recently popped, and you know what coins those are. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.